Besos. Oh. That's bad. I know I look weird, but trying to do eyebrows on camera is very difficult, and I'm sure they're not even, so don't judge me, judge your mom. Anyways, yes, this is the first Halloween tutorial I'm filming for 2020. So proud of myself. So today we're going to be doing, I'm sure you saw by the title, doing a red she-devil look. Now, I know this is a red she-devil look, but we're not, sorry, notification from school. Anyways, we're about the Lord over here, okay? We are about the Lord. But it is what it is, okay? It's a devil horn thing, but we're demon, because sometimes demons can be good, but then that defeats the purpose of being called. You know what? We're moving on. We're moving on. So, yeah, So all I did was obviously my eyebrows in black, and then I used red cream face paint on top, and then white cream cream paint. Anyways, so I'm first starting with the Wet n Wild? Yeah, Wet n Wild Fantasy Maker palette. As you can see, she destroyed the white paint. And then I'm using the red. This is called Pal Pop Diva. They usually have these every Halloween. And then once I run out of that, I'm going to use my iMagic Professional 12 Flash Color Case. I'm going to use this red right here. As you can see, I destroyed the white as well. So the white that I'm going to be using, she looks a little gross, but I've been using her. I got this from Walmart. Well, you can't really see. Oh, there you go. So I got this from Walmart, and it was like 97 cents. Now, you get what you pay for, but it is good to have when you don't have anything else. So that is what I used on the bottom of my brow, and then I used the Wet n Wild red cream paint, on the top of my brow. So this look is going to be super easy. All I'm really doing is just making myself red. The eyeshadow that I'm going to use to set all of my face, because as you know, cream paint, you need to set it. I'm going to use the Revolution times Lexus Stone Instinct palette. Y'all know I love this palette. I did a review on it on my channel, and she is busted down. Can you see? She is busted down. Like the black, where is she? The blue hip hand, the purples, RIP. But yeah, so I'm going to be using this row of reds. But I think to set my entire face, I think I'm going to use this red right here. Because I know it kind of seems like counterintuitive, like why are you putting red eyeshadow on top of the white powder? Girl, listen, when this photographs, this is going to be stark white, and we don't want that. No, you want it to be obviously highlighted, but you don't want it to be so bright that that's all we're going to be able to see in the picture or video or whatever. So I'm just taking what is ever like on my face, and I'm just tapping it over the white powder, because like I said, you want to tone this down. You want it to be a seamless blend. because right now this is like super harsh. But as you can see on this side, it's way more blended and it's softer. We're still gonna go back in with our contour, so we're gonna still get that, you know, sculpted look. But with under the eye, you don't want it to be like you just put some flour under your eye, because that's not cute, sis. We don't want that. So I thought I would just let you know what I'm doing, because I'm sure it kind of looks weird, like, girl, you just went in with all that powder and now you're... Alright, so I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line, and I didn't want to use black because I think that'd just be a little too harsh. So I'm going to use the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go in with the color Neo. I don't really know how to describe Neo. Neo is like a brick brown red color. Alright, to like bronze and contour, I'm going to use a mixture of stuff. So I'm going to first take this dark red right here. You see it right there from the Instinct palette. And then I might mix in from the Fumi palette by Juvia's Place. Ole, I can't remember how to pronounce that name. And probably to really contour, give me some depth, I'm probably gonna go in with Neo, the same brown that I used for my lower lash line. So for inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the KVD Alchemist Holographic palette. I'm going to use Opal, which is that one right there. It's a white, gold to pink shift. So I know it's not gonna pick up on the camera, but this is so pretty. And on top of that, just to give it a little more oomph, I'm going to use the Alexis Stone Transformation Palette in number 7. I need to get another one of these because look at this palette. Ooh. Okay, never mind. You're not going to see it because it is falling apart. I didn't know I was not filming, but I did highlight my face. I'm so sorry y'all didn't get to see that, but all I did was take the, what is it called again? The Alchemist Holographic palette from KVD and the Transformation palette by Makeup Revolution, and highlighted my face. You don't have to say anything. Like, I know. Do you see me? I know you see me. Did you hear that? That's my zipper on my jacket. But anyways, look at... I know the lighting is not gonna be my friend, but... Oh, look at this. So yeah, I did do some paint on my chest and like shoulder, kind of like right here, all the way around here. I just used some Moon Creations body paint in the color bright red. So that's what it, yeah, you won't be able to see it, but yeah, that's what I did for the neck and the décolleté area. Yeah, décolleté. But anyways, and then for lips, you saw that I put on black lip liner and just some random clear lip gloss that I had. And then lashes, I'll put that information on the screen. But, ooh. This is really pretty. Like, it's really easy too. It's just annoying to have to be red, and I have red paint everywhere, so I gotta clean all that up. Yay me. But oh, it's just not on my teeth. But anyways, girl says, ma'am, she did that. You're welcome. And if you want to see pictures, obviously head on over to my Instagram, and anything that I didn't mention in the video, I will put in the description. I'll probably like write down all the products I use, because sometimes I do forget to say what they are on the screen. So, but she did it. Ooh. Anyways, you know what to do. Stay in your lane. Take your vitamins. Wear a mask. Black Lives Matter. Register to vote. Then vote. And take your vitamins, sis. Ooh, she did that. I can't.